How to fix pending verification on Roblox. So first, just go to the roblox.com right here, then click on the settings icon here on the top right, then click on settings. Once you're there, you will see that I have a pending verification, and if I click on update email, as you can see, it will see that the account email will not change until the new email has been verified. So what you want to do now, just simply click on verify. And as you can see, thanks, your verification email has been sent. Now go to the email that you've input right there. And now an email will be sent that will look like this. And what you need to do is just simply click on verify email. If you can't see it on your inbox, it may be on the spam folder, or just check it on your all mail so that you can see all of your mails. But if it's not on your inbox, it might be on the spam folder. And now once it's done, just simply click on verify email and it will bring you to Roblox right here. And as you can see, your email has been verified and you will get a free hat. When I go back to my settings, as you can see, the pending verification is now gone. And that's how you basically fix the pending verification on Roblox.